super dirty.
When you get older, plain and saner, when you remember all the danger we came from, burning like embers, falling tender, long before the days of no surrender years ago. And well, you know, so smoke 'em if you got 'em, 'cause it's going down. All I ever wanted was you.
We clean the boat today. From the deck to the lazaret. And we throw away lots of stuff. Also took the anchor off from the lazaret here. Now it's completely emptied. We just need to clean and paint it. And here are some stuff. We will put it back once we cleaned. But the boat, is much lighter now. We also removed the anchor tree at the front, which is about 110 meters. It's 70 meters plus 40 meters. So the boat is much lighter now. There is the anchor tree. We left there for now. Okay, we did lots of cleaning today. Feels so nice. Now the boat, I can lie on top to relax, to see the sunset. Now,
We found a bottle of pisco on the boat. Time to celebrate.
pisco sour is that one?
No, it's just pisco.
Pisco.